In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you 3 different ways to clear your Facebook cache file on your iPhone. In first way, go to your Facebook app on your iPhone, tap on your profile photo, tap on settings. Once you are in your settings, you have to scroll down and under preferences, tap on browser. In here, you will find your Facebook cookies and caches. Just tap on clear and tap on clear. As you can see, if you clear the cookies and cache from web pages you have visited, your Facebook will be cleared from your iPhone. Just tap on clear and it may take some moments to clear your Facebook cache files. And this was the first way to clear our Facebook cache. Now let's see the second method. Go to your iPhone settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on general. In general, scroll down, tap on iPhone storage. In here, you have to scroll down and find Facebook. Tap on that. Now just tap on offload app and tap on offload app. And once you successfully uploaded the Facebook app, this will also delete your Facebook all caches and cookies. Now again tap on reinstall app to reinstall the Facebook app on your iPhone. So this was the second method to clear our Facebook cache. And now let's see the last method. In last method, we'll directly uninstall the Facebook app. So all you have to need is just long press on your Facebook app, tap on uninstall and just uninstall the Facebook app. Once it's uninstalled, you have to reinstall the Facebook app on your iPhone, and that's how you can actually clear cache for Facebook app.